Little pops of color. I see you popping on out the ground here. Come on, color, come through for me. Hi, I am Essie Happily, and I've been gardening all fall. No, I mean all spring and summer. You all, if you haven't watched my last Pansy haul, go watch that because you'll understand what you're about to see. You'll understand why I can't even remember my seasons. Enjoy this. If you haven't considered subscribing, do so, because if my garden look like this now, imagine what it's going to look like next year. I can't wait. Yes, I can. I need a break. A real winter break. Come on. Oh, I'm liking it. Are these okay?
Essie Happily and Family Fun Gardening.
Here I have Mariah P and catmint. Mariah P and catmint. Rearranging my steps to then prepare for the deck. It will not be these lengths. It'll be cut to about right there and right there. Then I have to get that stump out the ground, but gaura. I have gaura, daisy. And so first off, I'll repeat it: gaura, daisy along the side. Over here I have daisy, but I actually have a perennial salvia, a different variety, the taller version of the salvia. I'll find out the name, but you all, I want purple on this side. Also, these bloom at different times, so I'm paying attention to what I'm planting and when I expect to bloom. And then of course the hydrangea hedge goes along. All right, and imagine here it will be steps. I'll show you all what it looks like from the other angle. So if you all can see, I have a hill. Let me come all the way back. It's a hill that goes up. It is very dangerous. You can actually slip down here. So that's why I'm going to do the steps where you'll be able to step all the way up. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. And that's the walkway. I also have a camellia right there that will move. I repeat it, a hydrangea here. It's a hydrangea back there. A hydrangea also is right there. So this here is another salvia, which will match that salvia. Walking up to another hydrangea. And this will be a pathway. I think I'm going to do stone here because it'll look kind of awkward if I had steps going along here and then steps going along there. I think that won't look that good, but once I finish with this, I'll find out how much I like it. So they won't be laying on the ground like that, you all. But here we have it. And these hydrangeas will fill up. I'll maintain the height of them, but I cannot cut that now because my blooms are already set. But once next year I will. Hydrangea. And those leaves are coming back. I'm going to show y'all that. Y'all see my tree I got cut. Whew. I got to figure out what I'm going to do with all that. But look at the walkway. Imagine some little steps where you will be able to step up. Let me show you all. That treatment is helping. I can say I'm noticing. And I came over here and put some leaf matter But look, it's looking much better. The new buds aren't, I'm sorry y'all couldn't see, aren't infected. That's all that I really like to care, or that's what I pay attention to. Cleaning up this stem, and it looks like the stems are even getting better, everyone, because I used to can see like a lot of spots, but they're now turning brown. Oh, I cannot wait. Look at it. This looks beautiful. No spot damage. Black spots. Beautiful. So I cannot wait until next spring. I can't wait because I'm tired. Y'all see I gotta come over here and shave that off, and then I'm going to eventually prune this like the other two trees over there. So I wanted 1, 2 Laurotopelum tree, and this is going to be the third one I'm going to be shaping up. And from the back, that blue pot matches with that little blue color. Ah, I'm loving it. This is where I put my little sizzle spiree, which is going to get 2.5 feet, and it's going to fill in that space there. That's a perennial that blooms really, really pretty yellow. And I did add inside of here the rest of my verbenias. So I'm going to try, I moved my verbenias from all the way over there, which y'all can see the storm knocked over. Oh, my arch. Oh, well. But I want all purple up in here, and then I add some bulbs. That should be amazing. And this is some clearance grass I got. I forgot the name of it. Then my elephant ears I'll be bringing in. I planted a few pansies over there, but you all can't see anything. Now, from the back, hydrangea. This was a hydrangea that was propagated. I went ahead and put that in the ground from that mother plant. Right, so that's what I have done. Thank you. Let me stand in front of this rose. I'll look much better. Hi. Thank you all for following this journey. It has been one heck of a year. Deep breath, that's all I can say. If you haven't been following my channel, subscribe, because if it looks like this now, I have no idea what it's going to look like next year. But stay tuned. Until then, see you in the next one.